Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Ralu and this is my first video in English. And I'm super nervous and I'm super excited because I love the language and I haven't spoken for such a long time and I really missed it, so now I can talk with you in English and I'm super happy about it. I hope you are too. Let me introduce myself a little bit. I am Ralu, I am Romanian, English is my second language and I create makeup tutorials every week and I upload them on Thursday. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new clip. Today we are going to do a get ready with me video for Valentine's Day. So if you like this makeup look and you want to get ready with me, then please keep on watching. I'm starting my makeup by applying a primer, and today I'm using the Fenty Beauty one, but you can use whatever primer you want or like. And I'm massaging it into the skin and then I'm tapping so that it blurs out any imperfections and pores, and I like to let it sink for about 30 seconds and then I will continue with my makeup. I'm applying a primer to the eyes because this look is going to be so bright and I don't want it to be creasing, and I want the colors to be vibrating. And yes, I'm applying it all over the lid up to the brow bone. From the Sleek Ultra Matte Volume 1 palette, I'm taking this pale pink and I'm applying it into the crease, up into the brow bone, and it will act as our transition shade. And I'm applying it with a soft blending brush. I'm making small strokes but no pressure. Now I'm taking this medium pink from the same palette and I'm applying it with the same brush in the outer corner of the eye and also in the inner corner of the eye, leaving the inner part of the lid empty. I'm blending the edges with a clean blending brush. It's very important for this look for the eyeshadows to be very blended. It will look so much better. And if you want to increase the intensity of the eyeshadow, you can do it in as many layers as you want. I think I'm doing it in 2 or 3 layers. But don't forget to blend out the edges. With the darkest pink from the eyeshadow, as you saw, my finger was in the green eyeshadow and I made a mess everywhere, like I usually do. Well, what can I say? Sometimes it happens. I'm taking this eyeshadow and I'm placing it in the outer corner and in the inner corner of the eye, and I'm applying it with a Luxe Petite Crease from Zoeva because I want to have more control over the eyeshadow. I want it to be placed exactly where I want, and this is why I'm using this brush. I'm applying this darker pink because I want to deepen the inner and outer corner a little bit to create a little bit of dimension. And of course, blending the edges. With the Champagne Truffle from the Chocolate Bar palette from Too Faced and a damp brush, I will be applying it on the center of the lid where there was that gap. I'm applying the eyeshadow in tapping motions
And I use a wet brush because I want to increase the intensity of the color and its vibrancy. With a more detailed brush, I am applying the exact eyeshadow once more to increase its intensity and blending out the edges. And now I'm applying some diamond powder from Makeup Forever, well, because it's Valentine's Day and we all need some glitter in our lives, especially around this day. And I'm finishing off the eyes with a bold eyeliner. Yep, I told you. It's a lot of eyeliner. Clean pad and the micellar water, I remove the fallout and then I apply the foundation with a damp sponge. Mine is from Cupio, but you can use whatever sponge you want. And of course, don't forget about hydration because it's really important. And yeah, I'm fancy like that and I want to drink my water from my wine glass. I'm applying some concealer to get rid of the dark circles and I blend it out with a damp sponge. This is from Fenty. It's the mini one. It's the first time when I'm trying it and I'm not sure if I like it or not. I will keep on testing it and I will tell you guys more about it in the next videos. Yep, and while I'm getting ready, I like to have fun, listen to music, dance a little bit, sing. But there's no singing in this video. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of the nose, the area around the mouth, the forehead, and I'm blending everything out with a damp sponge. Now it's time to set the Grwm products, and for the under eyes area I'm going to use the Fenty sponge because it's so precise and small. And for the rest of the face I'm using a puff. On the lower lash line I'm applying the two pinks from the Sleek palette and I'm applying them on the outer and inner corner of the eyes. And in the middle, I will be applying the Champagne Truffle from the Too Faced palette with the same small detailed brush. And of course, on top of it, I will put some diamond powder. In the waterline, I'm applying black eyeshadow, but you can also use a pencil or a gel product. And to warm up my face, I'm using a bronzer and I'm applying it onto the cheekbones and along the hairline, and I'm blending. Girl, please blend that shadow. Blend. I like to contour my nose. Not because I hate my nose, but because I want the way it looks when it's contoured. And if you exaggerate with the nose contour, you can use your foundation sponge and you can tap and it blends really well. Now I'm highlighting all the higher parts of the face and I'm applying some rosy blush on the cheekbones. And I'm finishing off the eyes by applying some mascara and some falsies. And I use black glue, and usually it gets everywhere, so yeah, I guess I should clean it up to make it look good again, and I do it with a Q-tip. It happens to all of us. For the lips, I'm using some red lipstick. This one is from MAC, Ruby Ooh, and I'm spreading it with my finger. And on the center of the lips, I'm applying Diva, which is a burgundy red lipstick. And also I'm spreading it with my fingers because I want this blended effect. And yes, this is the final look.
Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video, which means next Thursday. Take care. Bye bye.